House Fix with Rick.
Well, it's time for lunch here on House Fix with Rick, and that's the way you get all Fix-It boys to do the work for you, is to feed them, okay? And so we're gonna go to the fridge and we're gonna see what's here to eat today. You know, look at all those plastic containers. What's in them? What are they? You're gonna find out on this week's House Fix with Rick tip. Here's what we've done. We've learned in our family to use a wax pencil to make marks on top of the covers to all of our plastic containers. In this case, my wife made some split pea soup several months ago, froze it, and she put it out for us to eat now. And here it says split pea soup from May of this year. It's for everybody's use, and I might have that for lunch. But what else is in here? I wonder if last time I went to the restaurant, what's in here, and it's got my initials, R, and it's got a date from about 3 or 4 days ago. This is a great way to mark and let you know what is in. You could have written it was a particular product in there, maybe tomatoes or maybe carrot sauce. It could have been in there, but we put in here just R, and it's the date, and I'll know what it is. But this is a great way to find out how old anything is in your plastic containers in your refrigerator. And the beautiful part of this as well is on these wax pencils, which were used, you can buy them in almost any home center or hardware store. The wax pencils were made to mark onto steel, cold steel. And the marking was great. You can get them in different colors, but black is the one we tend to use because of the colors of the lids of most of our products. And when you're done, all you do is you take a paper towel and you can wipe off the date with a paper towel. It's harder when it's wet like this, but you can wipe off the date and then wipe them off, reuse them, write a new date, write a new product on there, and you can eat lunch. In fact, that's what I'm going to do right now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this week's House Fix with Rick tip.
Don't know what to buy or where to get help? Check out our RICK-amendations below.